Let me ask you a few questions. Are you looking to fire your current trade line provider? Are you looking to become the plug, the man, or become the source in the primary trade line industry? Now that I have your attention, let me ask you two more questions. Are you looking to start your own business? Are you ready to create a more prosperous future for yourself by learning the secrets they don't want you to know? Yes, you heard me. The trade line secrets they do not want you to know. You will receive detailed, step-by-step instructions, easy-to-read PDFs, copy and pasted illustrations showing you exactly how to create your own primary trade lines. You will learn the step-by-step process of writing primary trade lines. You will learn how and where every state allows the reporting of primary trade lines and secured party transaction reporting. Upon your purchase, you will receive an instant download, allowing you immediate access to your easy-to-read, easy-to-understand ebook with detailed instructions and clear illustrations. After you've read the Seasoned Trade Line Builder's Handbook, you will know how and where you can write your very own primary trade lines with reporting limits from $1 to $1 million, guaranteed. Buy now, study now. All sales are instant downloads ready for immediate delivery.